welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with another unboxing. Today we're unboxing the Ivy Park Superstar 72 with the black gum. I have a crazy story about this. So when they first dropped in November of 2020, I was on the ridiculous Adidas app. It was like not working. It was the Ivy Park Adidas. It was probably like the second or third drop, something like that. Anyway, I waited in this crazy app line in this waiting room. I got the shoes. Fast forward to like June of 2021. I'm here in California. Shout out to Lexi and Matt. I leave my suitcase there. Their house gets broken into and I lose these shoes, right? So I'm in shambles. I'm like, I need these shoes. I want these shoes because I'm like the biggest Beyonce fan on the planet. So I'm losing my mind about these shoes. And who do y'all think found these shoes for me? Of course, Luke Kang. So we're about to unbox them because I've been waiting. I'm excited to have them back. I'm excited to put them on my feet. So let's see what's in the box. I don't really be wanting to go fast. All right, so got the box. I know normally Luke Kang reads these numbers to y'all, but I'm not. So here we go. And you slide the box out, right? We got the little part on the back. We got the gum bottom. It's the black gum, the Ivy Park Superstar 72. It's from like the third release of the Ivy Park in November of 2020. It's like the black is felt on here. This is like my favorite colorway, so I'm super excited to have them back. Yep. And also in the box, all of the Ivy Park shoes always come with like their own little carry pack. So whoever got the shoes out of my suitcase has the carry pack too. But they don't have the box, so don't y'all buy them. All right, and before I leave, I just got to remind everybody, got the new colorway, so don't forget to make your order for the new colorway, the black and the yellow. Yeah, it's special to me because it's like a B. So I'm BK. So yeah, I like this color. And I think I'm supposed to go like